Hello viewers, I'm Anuradha Ravi. This is my quarantine interview and you're watching Booma's Entertainment. So the first interview question, how did you gain interest in cooking? Honestly, I've never been to kitchen till my marriage. I've grown up seeing my mom waking up early in the morning and cooking a lot of foods. I always wondered how she's having this much patience. But I always loved South Indian cuisines. Wedding or party, wherever you go, they serve a lot of variety of delicacies, which will definitely tempt your taste bud. So I think it's in my blood. I eventually developed a passion towards cooking because I love food. My next question is, how long have you been cooking? Well, when I came to US, I didn't have any other option other than cooking. So I think almost for 10 years I've been cooking now. My husband and my kids are my trial rats. So my next question is, how has your quarantine been and how cooking helps you stay productive during quarantine? Quarantine is definitely hectic. Being a working mom with children at home, they are keeping me on my toes. It's very busy. But definitely this quarantine has paved way to improve my culinary skills. I'm not a great chef or star baker, but definitely I've been trying this Italian pizzas or pastas, Mexican bowls. Recently I'm so much into baking cakes. I've tried brownies, cupcakes, and also I've tried a healthy version of Indian ingredient semolina rava. With that I made a healthy cake. So definitely this quarantine is being helping me in the kitchen at least. Here are some of the pictures of my cooking. Hope you like it. Let's bake some brownies today. So all you need is the brownie mix and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg and a mixer. Preheat the oven to 325 Fahrenheit and grease the pan to with the oil or non-spray cooking oil or anything. Grease the pan. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients like the brownie mix, egg and the cup of oil together in this bowl.
Now we have the brownie mix ready in the pan.
I've used 8x8 metal pan, so we need to just keep it just for 39 to 43 minutes, not more than that or not less than that. Initially it will be like, it looks like it's underdone, but after cooling it will become a good nice brownie. While the brownie is baking, I just wanted to give a quick tip for working mom. It's not related to baking or anything, but in general, just what I used to do is like during the weekend I cut all the vegetables for that week and store it in the freezer, which is really helpful because we'll be busy in the meeting or we will not find time, so that will definitely help.
And voila, the brownie is ready and it looks delicious. Mrs. Anuradha Ravi is a working mom who has been using this quarantine time to improve her culinary skills and pursue her latest passion, baking, and making the best out of this lockdown.
Thanks for watching the video. Stay safe. Like and subscribe Booma's Entertainment. Bye.